Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to write articles and also how you can make money from writing articles. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on anytime I upload a new video. So let's get right into this video. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser that you are using, and on the search bar you can search for Google Docs. Search for Google Docs. This is it. So when you search on Google Docs, then you can open it on a new tab. When you're writing articles, you can actually use your Microsoft Word or your Google Docs, but for the purpose of these tutorials, we are going to be using Google Docs. So once you've opened this Google Docs, you just come here and click on Go to Google Docs. There's another way to still open your Google Docs. With these three dots here, you can see if you've signed into your email address on Chrome browser, this is it, you can see here. Then you can click on this Google Apps where all the Google Apps is. You go scroll down and you click on Google Docs. Then it's going to open for you and you click on blank. We want to use blank. We don't want to use any template because we are writing an article, so we need a blank template to work on. So when you are here, now you come here, you title, you name your document. Let's say we want to write on how to make money writing articles. So this is how it is. You've named your document, and it's very important for you to name your document for easy access. Or once you're on your Google Docs and you're looking for this particular article, you can just go straight to it. When you're done naming your article, you come here, you also title your article. Now, we are writing on how to make money writing articles. When you've done that, you highlight. When you highlight on this normal text, you come here and you change it to title and you apply. So this is our title. So we've been able to apply. And when you've written your title, you want to put an introduction to this title. You can either write here introduction, you can put it here as an introduction. Now when you put an introduction, you can just come here and put it to be header 2. So this is how it is. You can see introduction, or you can just remove the introduction and write your introduction without having to title it. So how do you write your introduction? You can say in this article, you will learn how to make money writing articles. Now, you're not just going to stop here. You can, after you've written something like this, you can as well put in stories of how you struggled when you were learning how to write article, how you were able to overcome this challenge. So these are things you have to put into your article. You have to say, okay, when I started writing article, I struggled a lot, but I found this, I did that. So you're going to show your experience in your introduction. If you don't want to show your experience in your introduction, you can as well still look for other people's experience, their challenges. You can call a name. How Divine struggled when she was writing her article, but now she has been able to do this, she has been able to do that. So these are stories you can come up with. Look for stories. Stories help people to understand what you're trying to say. When you're done with writing your introduction, now you want to structure this article. You want to bring out your structure on things that you're going to be writing on. This will help your work to be very fast. And how are you going to do that? You can come here. When structuring, you can say what are the ways to write articles, or what are the ways to make money writing articles. You can put freelancing. Let's say freelancing. You can put writing for others. You can say selling your articles on different websites. Okay, selling your articles on different websites. So these are various ways. And when you've structured this, you can come here, you change this normal text and make it to be header 2. You're applying header 2, and when you are down, you can actually now put your conclusion. So you've been able to structure your article. But before writing on your conclusion, you also make your conclusion header too. Before writing on your conclusion, you can go to Google and search for this particular topic. When you search for this particular topic, what you're trying to do is to look for questions. Come to this, people also ask. You're trying to get questions on what people are trying to find on this particular topic. So you can see, how do I start writing articles and get paid? You can come here, you can copy it. Make sure the question they are asking is in line with what you are writing. So let's click here. When you post it, you also make it header 2. You come here, let's see another question. How can I get paid writing? How much money can you make from writing article? You can see you can copy this question also. And copy this question also. Let's see. So you can get as much questions and as much things that people are actually searching for on writing articles. So this, now we've been able to get a structure for our article. So we want to start writing. Now, if you have experience or you have an idea on this topic, you know so much about this topic. So now you can write about it. And one way you can write about it is to use this tool here. Come to this tool here and you go to voice typing. You can type this topic from what you know, and you go to voice typing and you start typing. You can make money from freelancing when you go to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, to actually sell your skill as an article writer. Now when you want to stop, you click on it. You can now look at what we just say. So you can make money from freelancing. Read through it. When you read through it, you edit it. You edit whatever you've written. Most times it may not be correct. You just read through it and edit it. So after you are done using this voice typing tool, you can see we've gotten our write-up. What you have to do is just to read through, edit, correct your grammar, the spelling, and that's it. And if you don't have an idea on what to write, especially for the questions, you can still go back to Google, search for other people's platform, search on other people's article, look at what they've written, look at how they've been able to answer these questions. Now you can copy these questions, or you can copy this answer. Let's say you open this website. Let's see how to, when you open this website, now you want to copy this. Let's see, you want to copy this. I'm not saying you should copy. Try as much as possible to write a good article. No, this is not okay. Let me just open this article and see. So let's say you want to copy this. This is an example. I'm just giving you an example. When you copy this, let's copy this. You can go to a platform called Qbot. Look at it, qbot.com. It's a paraphrasing tool where you can rewrite. You can click on it. This is the free version. You can click on it, then you click on paraphrase. So this tool is going to help us rewrite what we've been able to copy. Even if it has rewritten it, you can still read, understand it, and then add it to your article. When you are done, you can now paste it here. So how do you now make money writing articles? You can, when you are done writing your article, you can make money from this by selling this article, going on Upwork. You can go to Fiverr and actually sell your skill as an article writer. A lot of people, a lot of bloggers are looking for who will write articles for them. So this is one way to actually make money writing articles. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.